Hey, I'm going to show you how to fix an Nvidia Shield Pro, the 2017 model, that is stuck on the Android screen on startup. So you can just let it sit here and sit here and sit here, and it just won't progress past this. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to your Shield, have the HDMI cable plugged in, got the power cord here, and what you're going to do is unplug the power. You're going to attach a micro USB cable to a computer or a laptop, a PC, and then you're going to plug the micro end of the USB into the micro USB port. So once this green light comes on, after we've plugged in, we're going to hold this power button for about 5 or 6 seconds, and that should bring up a screen on the TV so that we can reset it to factory settings. So let's do this. So we got it hooked up to the computer, to the micro USB. Gonna plug this in. Power's coming on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And would you look at that? Okay, so now, for me at least, the remote wasn't working and this might not be the same for you, but the text is not fitting on there, so I think we got a resolution issue. So the little remote wasn't working. My gaming remote also still doesn't move. So I'm doing this for the first time while shooting this video, and initially the text was too big, like the resolution wasn't properly. And I'm just trying to work it. At times, I restarted this process a couple times, and this time now, the text fits on, but I don't think that's important. So now to move the text select down there, we're just going to tap this power button to get it to change. Sorry, I don't know if you're able to see it. So as I'm tapping this button, we got options, so continue, boot recovery kernel, boot safe mode, reboot. So I'm just going to keep clicking it until I go to factory data reset. So now I've got factory data reset, and I'm just going to long press this. Sorry, I'm just going to long press this button to make my selection. So to cycle through those modes, you're just going to tap the button. To make a selection, you just hold it. So now it's just asking, do you want to? Just going to tap the power button again to confirm, or sorry, long press. There we go, confirmed, factory data resetting. Sorry for all the reflections, but that's how you do a factory data reset on the Nvidia Shield Pro 2017. When nothing else works, hopefully this helps you guys. I spent quite a bit of time on forums and stuff trying to figure out how to do this, and I saw a little video on YouTube here of how to do this and thought I'd just make a bit better video explaining the process. So hopefully this helps somebody else. Ta-ta!